फाइटिक एसिड उसमें से निकल जाता है, करेक्ट अमाउंट रहता है, एक्सेस जो है वो निकल जाता है। इट इज फैट वाटर सॉल्युबल रहता है फाइटिक एसिड।
अखरोट जो होता है विच इज वॉलनट, उसको भी भिगो के खाना चाहिए उसे ऐसे
नहीं,
खाना
वो तो शेल है ना, खोल के।
आपने बुक में चीज़ खाने को लिखा है, तो यहाँ पर कौन सा टाइप्स का चीज़?
जो सबसे अच्छा और
यहाँ पर चीज़ में मेयोनेज़ और सब कुछ मिला के
नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ चीज़। यहाँ पे तो आपको बहुत सारा मिलेगा, गोट चीज़, यैक चीज़, लोग ब्लू चीज़। तो जो आपको सबसे अच्छा लगता है, जो फ्रेश हो, एंड द बेस्ट चीज़ जस्ट कम, द बेस्ट चीज़ ऑफ कोर्स इज पनीर, कॉटेज चीज़।
I just want more like with her looking at you. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
About almond, you said we should eat bigoke or and how about ghee and coconut oil? The best thing is to use eat raw or make
Ghee,
like
you can make versatile anything that you want to do with ghee. Coconut oil, if you cook in coconut oil, then you can continue cooking in coconut oil. Otherwise, it leaves a very peculiar flavor. Not everyone likes it.
That's
Right. Okay, if I don't get raw milk, like in the Whole Foods or something, what is a good idea to have? Like 2% of full fat or what
Full
that?
fat, full fat,
Full fat, right?
Full fat, any day full fat.
Okay, and what is the idea of making ghee from the full fat? It's okay. With basically with this milk, I mean,
Of course, yeah, you
not
can
Indian.
make- yeah,
You're right.
you won't get Indian milk here, no? So you have to make the best available choice.
Right. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Question on water. Do you recommend having warm water first thing in the morning? And
No, I have regular water, but if you like your water warm, then yes, warm water, but don't heat that water in the micro.
and
Okay.
also, what about water? Is it best before meals, during, or after?
You can surely have it before the meal, during the meal, and after the meal, only a sip. Sip, 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 sip. But before a meal, even a glass down is fine. For stevia, that it is a plant-based or whatever plant extract. What is white sugar? It's coming from sugarcane. The sugarcane is not a plant oil. So of course you can have cane sugar. Now you have, I think in US also, some packets which call themselves cane sugar, because the beet
Yes.
sugar is very different. See, when I come here, because I'm mostly using sugar from India, so we use this much sugar also, things get very sweet. You have to use 1 packet, 2 packets, and it just doesn't seem to get sweet at all. And then wherever I have seen these packets which call themselves cane sugar, those packets I feel are much more similar to the sugar that I eat back home than just the regular because I think a lot of the sugar here is coming from beet.
And how about the brown
Oh,
sugar
okay.
that we are getting in this Turkish?
If the source is cane, it's okay.
And
And I saw even on that cane, I mean, I saw a brown sugar packet which called itself gluten free. Like, of course it's going to be gluten free, if it's not coming from wheat, but it's about having a few catch words and then just labeling them every place, and people are just buying, because it's like gluten free. So, yeah.
having this feeling of bloatedness, so are there any foods to avoid?
Ghee is the best food to
have it,
reduce
but to not
bloating. To not have packaged and processed.
Packaged.
So, are you eeting cereals and stuff?
Milk cereal every morning.
So that is something you have to work on avoiding it. See, if you want to eat cereal, you eat poha and dahi, poha and milk,
Dalia.
yeah, dalia. That's also easy. Again, too much fiber. That too much fiber again comes in the way of that zinc assimilation and stuff like that. See, regular Indian food is very rich on fiber. We don't need to go richer on fiber. This whole having to choose foods which are fiber rich comes out of cultures which are largely eating meat. हम लोग largely meat नहीं खाते हैं. हम लोग largely anyways plant based food ही खाते हैं. And even whenever we are eating meat, it is probably once a week, twice a week. So we don't have to do anything to get fiber. Fiber is already present in the diet.
We are vegetarians. My son and my daughter stay here. My son is a cancer surgeon, and we always have a fight. I'm a yoga teacher. We stay in India. I come here to visit my children. So we always have a fight. I am in Ayurveda, believe in all these things, Indian things, and he staying here since 8 years. So he always says कि आपने बचपन से हमको वेजिटेरियन खिलाया है, तो हम लोग को प्रॉपर सब मिलता नहीं है. I always say नहीं, he say हमारा बराबर नहीं है खाना
तो
because हम
अभी
लोग नॉन वेज नहीं खा रहे।
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, इनफैक्ट मीट इज अ नोन कार्सिनोजेन।
Exactly.
यू नो, तो अपने बेटे को बोलो कि मदर के साथ कार्डियो नहीं करते।
What about sabudana?
Abraham is vegetarian and so fit.
हाँ?
John Abraham is vegetarian and so well built.
Yeah, he
नहीं,
doesn't
क्या है
argue with
कि-
me, but he
I
said
know,
okay.
I'm
No,
just
he says
joking.
okay whatever you say, but I feel
So,
he
okay,
says
so in 1991 they came up with this term called nutrition transition. Nutrition transition was when native cultures like ours, where we are mostly eating all plant-based foods, we switched to eating more meat, more sugar, and then उसके वजह से हमको बहुत सारे non-communicable diseases हुए. Non-communicable is diabetes, hypertension, cancer, and अभी इनका जो proportion है ये developing countries में बढ़ रहा है because of this whole nutrition transition. So world over also there is this movement के switch back to eating more local and regional, because that's a good way of keeping fit. It doesn't cost us anything, and there is really no ideal body. You know कि 24, 36, I don't know, 36, 24, 36 के होगे तभी आप खूबसूरत लगोगे. If you are healthy from within, you always look good at any size.
yeah. This was actually my question. At this age, I go for a walk. I do yoga because I'm a teacher. I teach people, and I eat by 6:30 in the evening.
great.
Morning, I have only. This is what I mean. Somebody
You've been
told me to
practicing.
eat this oats, and I eat oats with milk. And then lunch, I have raita full of vegetables and one sabji and roti. So this is my diet, and I am okay. But if somebody tells me कि थोड़ी मोटी है, तू योगा करती है, तो I said it's okay. I am like ठीक ना?
या आपको नहीं, आपका भार लगता है ना. So you know why should you worry कि लोगों को हमारे बारे में क्या लगता है, मोटे हैं, पतले हैं, it doesn't matter. Yeah?
Small question.
Yes.
What about exercising when you have your
Periods, absolutely safe to exercise. You must exercise. The only thing that you must avoid is if you're practicing yoga, anything that's an inversion. So wherever it goes against the natural flow, avoid that. Wherever your head down and legs up. But everything else you can do. Like Olympic records have been broken by women in every phase of their menstrual cycle. During their menses, before, pre and post. You know, so no big deal.
cardio, nothing
Nothing
is
at
a
all.
problem?
Nothing at all.
My mother-in-law in India, she lives in Mumbai. She has this problem of acidity and vomiting. So, is there anything she frequently suffers from this? Is there anything she could incorporate in her diet or
खिचड़ी, घी, केला, पानी, कम स्ट्रेस और टीवी नहीं इतना.
Okay. Sabudana actually wanted to ask about you.
Sabudana is safe to eat.
Safe to eat? Okay, because after eating sabudana khichdi, I feel little bit bloated or something.
So then maybe you're overeating.
Overeating. Okay, okay.
एक्झॅक्टली खूप महत्वाचं आहे. मी त्याच्या मागे लागली असते, लिमिट मध्ये खा आणि आमचं कसं आहे
You
माझा
give ration ना, एवढंच खा. याच्यापेक्षा जास्ती मिळत नाही.
रुजुता, मी तुला इंडियापासून फॉलो करते आणि आय रिअली होप की अमित हा सेशन झाल्यानंतर काहीतरी त्याच्यात चेंज दिसेल.
Specially घेऊन आले ते मला.
There is a myth that vegetarian food में the protein amount is less. That's why people are not well
that
built.
is a myth. That is a myth.
Exactly my son
There is
says.
no problem, and you know protein enough नहीं है मतलब क्या, we have nothing called as a protein deficiency.
Okay.
You know, no one has had any kind of, unless there is malnourishment. जैसे इंडिया में where there is no food to eat ना, वहाँ पर हमको दिखता है कि प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी के वजह से क्या क्या हो सकता है बॉडी में. But anywhere where there is enough food to eat, being a vegetarian has never come in the way of protein assimilation and absorption. In fact, vegetarian food is very rich in protein. It's just the limitation of nutrition science to you know that we have categorized meals as carbohydrate, protein and fat, and that is changing. You know, in 2014 where people are, I mean the big researchers and academics and people who go only by data, who are data driven, they are the ones also now who are saying that this is a wrong method of choosing foods. प्रोटीन खाऊं या कार्बोहाइड्रेट खाऊं, या जैसे मीट आप प्रोटीन के लिए खाओगे तो उसमें फाइबर नहीं है, फिर उसमें कोलेस्ट्रॉल ज़्यादा है, फिर यू नो इनवेरिएबली देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम और द अदर व्हेन यू चूज फूड बेस्ड ऑन वन न्यूट्रिएंट.
Basically balanced diet.
Balanced diet, and when you're eating in a state of balance, you get everything, not just protein. You get fiber also, vitamins also, minerals also, phytonutrients also, and antioxidants.
And people say that having a glass of red wine every week or every month is good.
So I should have like addressed that. No, You know, unless you carry the red wine like this and never drink it. So wine is not good for the heart, or it is as good for the heart as whiskey, rum, vodka.
Pitched as if it's good for the heart. You should
Yes,
have-
but that whole research is being questioned now. You know, so it's not. See, that's the thing that
It's all money
wine
driven.
was supposed to be good for the heart because of one nutrient called resveratrol, and then they stopped everyone from eating peanuts because it is bad for the heart. And peanuts and groundnuts are the richest source of resveratrol. So surely wine is not good for the heart. Wine, any alcohol is treated as a foreign substance by the body. The minute you drink alcohol, your brain is releasing one thing called as alcohol dehydrogenase, stops all vital functions, works at getting rid of alcohol first.
But did you not mention about how to drink alcohol right? Were you saying something?
I said something.
Just to
Eat before you
clarify.
drink, yeah.
You should eat
Drink
before.
before you drink. I mean, whenever if you do drink, because drinking also is a part of the culture, right? So then eat before you drink.
And have your book suggests to have a certain number of glasses of water for every.
Yeah, so that you never get high.
High.
So people get very pissed off with me. यार चढ़ती नहीं है तो क्या पीने का? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry, photo.